Are you bored of the basic look and feel of your Windows computer? Spice it up with your own custom themes. In this video, I'll show you how to create personalized themes to customize every aspect of your Windows experience. First things first, head over to Windows Settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon, or by pressing the Windows key plus I shortcut. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Personalization section. Under the Background tab, you'll find various options for customizing your desktop background. You can choose from a collection of built-in wallpapers, select a solid color, or even set a slideshow of your favorite images. Pick the type of background that best suits your style and preferences. Next, click on the Colors tab. Here you can choose your mode. This can be light, dark, or custom. You can also choose a predefined color scheme or create your own custom color palette. Experiment with different combinations until you find the perfect look for your desktop. If you want a ready-made theme, then get more themes from the Microsoft Store. To do this, just click on the Themes option from Personalization. Then click on Browse Themes. This will open the Microsoft Store. Here you can view a selection of free and paid themes which you can download. Start creating your custom theme today and give your desktop a fresh new look that reflects your unique personality.